Coming to you from the long haul kitchen today with some seriously good news. Tomato ketchup is back on the menu. I know tomato ketchup without any tomato sounds unlikely, but this comes out looking and tasting just like the real deal. And it's dead easy to prepare. With thanks to naturalnoshing.com for the inspiration, we present an almost entirely histamine-free ketchup. Your hot chips will never be lonely again. More than just a condiment, this recipe also forms the base for other tomato-heavy recipes we've been adapting here in the long haul kitchen, including spaghetti bolognese, pizza and shepherd's pie. Subscribe to notifications to get these recipes as soon as they're uploaded. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of canned baby carrots, 2/3 of a cup of canned diced red beetroot, 1/3 of a cup of chopped white onion, half a cup of distilled or acetic acid vinegar, half a cup of honey, and 1/4 teaspoons of garlic powder and onion powder. One teaspoon of salt and 2/3 of a cup of water. In a high-speed blender, combine all the ingredients. Blend very well into a puree. If it's not blending well, add a little bit extra water. Next, pour the puree into a medium saucepan, cover with a lid, and bring to the boil over medium heat. Reduce to a simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the ketchup is done, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then store 1 to 2 servings in a small airtight container in the fridge. You can freeze the rest in small containers or an ice cube tray. It keeps for up to a week in the fridge, but to keep the histamine levels low, we'd recommend you use it within 1 or 2 days. Does this pass your test for tomato ketchup? Let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more.